Hi everyone. Right, I finished the inside, well, near enough, of the book that I was making, and I've made it into kind of like a lab workroom type of thing. I have taken still shots, so you will be able to see it. But we've got a little skeleton dangling here. Kept it on the earring so that it just pokes through the roof, through the frill of the roof here. Up there. Now let me just see if I can get this in the light. Right, not much. But you can see there are some potion bottles at the top and whatever. There's a clock in the background. And let me just show you here. I'm not sure if you can just see there. There is an eye that actually closes when the book's laid down. Just put some wires, coiled wire, some glasses, because obviously scientists wear glasses. I had the little kettle there because it's a mixture of his home as well. On here, some bits and pieces with wires going across, coiled wire underneath. This is under the table where he throws all his bits in. There's a skull. This is a dome, and in the dome is two eyes. Like I said, the clock's behind. He has to have a sink to do his cleaning and whatnot. So we've got a little sink here, and I've put a little flannel on it. And at the side on a hook, we've got a towel. More coiled wire, just laying about. A mad scientist would have things like that, wouldn't they? Just laid about. In this section here, another room, there's a little curtain. Little spoon with a pot, and then in there are some what are they? Oh, there's a cup and saucer and another bottle. In this section he's got his tools on the wall, which are the like a hammer, some scissors, and another bottle, like a metal bottle at the back. Here's a bottle at the front with another eye on and some coiled wire going off there into this tube here. Just added a key with a bit of pearly bling. Down in this section is his own stuff, which is, you know, cups and saucers. There's a mug up there, teapot, iron. And then down on the base side of it, this is a fan. And then a skull. In this section at the background, he's got all like rushes and things like that, dried grasses. Moss inside of this one, and this is a ladder going up to the next flight, to the next level, and another skeleton, and the skeleton's resting his foot on the jar. I like that though. It's cute. They were them earrings from yesterday's car boot. In this section I have added a door. It's got an eye there, some coiled wire, using a square brad for the door handle. In the back a clock. Here on the hook is some binoculars, and there's a little bucket there, another skull down there, and a bottle in the background. And on the shelf, a couple of books on the shelf. Yeah, there's also in there, besides the hammer's underneath, I'm not sure if you can see that. Besides the hammer is another bottle. And like I say, there is an eye there, and the clock there, and then on the door on the inside is the mad scientist and his family, with a clock. And then just here on the bottom section of the door, a couple of curtain ways, and I've used this like material mesh, and all wires, just different wires, coiled wires, that the mad scientist is going to use. So I've almost finished it, not quite, but like I say, you will be able to see it properly on the, sorry about the shakiness, on the still pictures. And that's it for now. I've got this to go over because I want a bit of texture. This is to the metal roof here. I just put it on each floor, apart from that one. That one hasn't got it on. Yeah, bit of fun doing this one. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye for now.